We're still in 5.1. I'm going to do the 13-14 combination. So I'm going to start by factoring everything. I can take a GCF out of the top of 2, so I get x plus 4. And on the bottom, what multiplies to negative 6 but adds to negative 1? Negative 3, positive 2. No coefficient for the squared term, so I can use a shortcut. So I get x minus 3, x plus 2. Sweet. I would like to start with finding the domain. So that I'm going to look wherever the denominator would equal 0. So I'm finding the 0 of these factors. So this would be positive 3 and negative 2, which tells me I have 2 discontinuities, meaning 2 breaks in my domain. Vertical asymptotes. I'm going to look, does anything cancel? No, it does not. So both of these become vertical asymptotes. So I have one at x equals 3, and I have one at x equals negative 2. Scoot that over a smidge. I need to put x equals, and I need to list them separately because these represent lines, because it's an asymptote. Holes. There were no factors that canceled, so I don't have any. Horizontal asymptote, I can look, was it bottom heavy, top heavy, or neither? I like to look at the original just because everything's not factored. It's easier to look at the highest because there's a 2x and an x squared, and we see it's bottom heavy, which means y equals 0 is our horizontal asymptote. X-intercepts, set the numerator equal to 0. So just looking at the numerator, if this is equal to 0, what would I plug into x to make it equal, to make the factor equal to 0? So I get negative 4. Y-intercept, plug in 0 for x. So I go 2 times 0 plus 4, 0 minus 3, 0 plus 2. 2 times 4, negative 3 times 2. 8 over negative 6, which turns into negative 4/3. And there we go.